Let's talk about Stalker Secrets Ribs artifact. Bubble pickup Bud War Sensor's choice in a simple and calm way. We'll go step by step.
But don't let the Zun's mysteries defeat. You will venture deep into the anomalies and explore the darkest corners to bring you clarity and solutions in this fight. You will unravel the truth behind the Ribs artifact, provide a solid fix for that infuriating bubble pickup bug, and guide you through the optimal ward Sensor's choice, ensuring you dominate the Zun like a true Stalker. Deep within the irradiated anomalies, the elusive Ribs artifact has baffled many stalkers. This isn't just another shinny collectible. It possesses unequal properties that can significantly alter your gameplay, offering powerful resistances or dangerous side effects. We'll show you exactly where to find it, how to approach its dangerous spawn points, and what makes this particular artifact so crucial for survival. Prepare to understand its true value and the risks involved in claiming it. The frustrating bubble pickup bug can halt your progress and cost you valuable loot. It usually happens when the artifact or item is stuck in an anomaly, field, or an awkward gentry collision. The simplest fix often involves carefully maneuvering your character, sometimes even leaving and re-entering the area, or using an explosive device from a safe distance to dislodge it. Don't let a glitch rob you of your hard-earned discoveries ever again. When facing the critical decision with the ward sensors, your choice has real consequences for your path through the Zone. One option might offer immediate benefits like increased safety in specific areas, while the other could unlock unique quest lanes or faction alignments. We've analyzed the long-term impact of each decision, weighing the pros and cons carefully. You'll learn which choice aligns best with a stalker's survival instincts and whether to prioritize immediate gains or future opportunities. Mastering artifact hunting isn't just about finding the right spot. It's about navigating the deadly anomalies with surgical precision. Always carry a variety of detectors and throw out balls to safely map out invisible fields before rushing in. Pay close attention to environmental cues like swaying trees or distorted air, as they often hint at hidden dangers. With these advanced techniques, you'll minimize risks and maximize your artifact haul in even the most hostile environments.